Okay, so in the rapid revision today we are gonna do for this uniform convergence, right? Uniform convergence. So for that, as we all are aware, what is the basic difference between convergence and this topic? The only difference is whenever we have studied sequence and series, and that was for real numbers. Okay, and here when we talk about UC, it is more about sequence and series of functions. Okay dear, so here what we were taking as sequence xn, right, summation un. When here we will be talking about sequence fnx, summation fnx. Okay, summation means going from 0 to infinity. Fair here as well. So what is the basic criteria which are to be remembered from the uniform convergence? The number first is this, कि we are dealing about the sequence of functions. Okay, here we will have some terminologies, and that is point wise convergence and other will be uniform convergence. Okay dear, when you say point wise, see dear, we have functions. अब functions हैं तो उनका कोई domain होगा ना, we will have domain of that function. So when you talk about कि point wise convergence, let's say, मैं आपको एक example से अगर हम लोग यहाँ पर देखें, let's say we have a sequence of functions f and x. Let's say we have taken an example x square upon some example I'll take from the Malik Arora book itself. Okay, let's say this is the thing and your x is belonging to R, for x is real, they said. Fair. Suppose that we want to talk about point wise convergence, means we will take some point out of it. Okay, let's say I have taken x equals to 0. So मेरे बच्चे, what the sequence will be turned around? Sequence fn0 will be like 0 0 0. So यहाँ पर क्या हो गया? Sequence fn converges to 0. So if I denote this y f of x, so we will say ये क्या कहलाएगा? Sequence fnx converges point wise to 0. किसको 0 बच्चे? To f of x equals to 0 at x equals to 0. When we talk about uniform convergence means you can say on an interval, right? So we need to remember here the definition कि sequence f and x for all x in your given domain converges to f of x if for epsilon greater than 0 given. Obviously the basic definition we learned in the sequence as well. There exists some, let's say capital N, such that modulus of f and x minus f of x less than epsilon for all n greater or equal to n. So thing is, suppose that if I want to talk about this example itself for the uniform convergence, what we will do, since f and x is this, so if you observe, this is nothing but geometric, देखिएगा, जिसका सीरीज, सपोज दैट यू वांट टू टॉक अबाउट कि यूनिफॉर्म कन्वर्जेंस ऑफ सीक्वेंस ऑफ सीरीज, एक सीक्वेंस के लिए बात कर लिया. लेट्स से आई टॉक अबाउट समेशन n गोइंग फ्रॉम 0 टू इंफिनिटी f and x, मोरओवर दैट इज रिटन एज x स्क्वायर divided by 1 plus x square raised to the power n. So what I can observe here, this is a geometric series with common ratio, what it will be, x square upon 1 plus x square. इसलिए इसका जो summation होगा will be what, a upon या 1 upon 1 minus first term आपने 1 upon 1 plus x square. If you observe what it is coming out, what is the व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट टर्म n इज इक्वल टू 0. अच्छा n यहां से लेंगे तो x स्क्वायर यहां पे रहेगा, राइट. सो लेट्स से यू गॉट दिस एज 1 प्लस x स्क्वायर. So what does that mean? If I talk about for this sequence, similarly we can talk about summation fnx like this. So what you observe here, देखिएगा यहीं से इस पूरे चैप्टर का क्रक्स आपको पता चलता है. सो आई टुक टाइम हियर. सो मेनी ऑफ यू मे थिंक दिस इज रैपिड रिवीजन. इफ I am not putting this time here, this rapid revision has no means. Okay, इसके बाद तो जस्ट 2 मिनट का खेल होगा. f of x equals to 1 plus x square. कब बच्चे? When x is not equals to 0, it is 0 when x equals to 0. Means यहां से हम क्या कह सकते हैं, अगर आप ऑब्जर्व करें, this function is discontinuous at x equals to 0. So this indicates, this inspires us to study about sequence fnx, series fnx, and the function for which these are converging. So the function if they are converging to f of x, देखिए यहाँ पर पॉइंट वाइज कन्वर्ज हो रहा है, x इक्वल्स टू 0 पर डिफरेंट कन्वर्जेंस है और नॉन जीरो पर डिफरेंट कन्वर्जेंस है. सो वी से दिस फंक्शन इज नॉट यूनिफॉर्मली कन्वर्जेंट, बिकॉज फॉर यूनिफॉर्मली कन्वर्जेंट वी नीड टू हैव सिंपल लाइक वन यूनिक f of x there, right? So this is the some basic criteria required for uniform convergence. Fair? Next पर आते हैं, what to be like revised and retained. Next is tests for uniform convergence. अब tests किसके हो सकते हैं मेरे बच्चे? वो सीक्वेंस ऑफ फंक्शंस की बात हो सकती है. यू मे टॉक अबाउट सीक्वेंस ऑफ फंक्शंस, यू मे टॉक अबाउट सीरीज ऑफ फंक्शंस. हियर वी हैव अ टेस्ट. उस टेस्ट के लिए अपने को क्या करना होता है? टेस्ट क्या है? व्हाट वी नीड टू रिमेंबर इज, सपोज दैट योर fnx is less or equal to some mn. Okay, is it? Suppose that this fnx is less or equal to some mn, और यहां पर अगर आप बात करें, सपोज दैट दिस fnx ये जो है ये किसी सीरीज से कन्वर्ज कर, अब ये जो सीरीज है, सीरीज mn अगर कन्वर्स कर जाए तो ये यूनिफॉर्मली कन्वर्स कर जाता है, राइट? अब यहां पर mn क्या है? mn इज नथिंग बट सुप्रीमम वैल्यू ऑफ fnx minus f of x if limit mn tends to 0 as n tends to infinity, then what we say मेरे बच्चे? fnx converges uniformly to f of x, right? We will take example for that as well. So here you will have one supremum test, mn test you also called. अब यहाँ पर you need to check about convergent of this series. Okay dear, so to check we need to remember all formulas which we studied in the infinite series, the rapid revision round 2. Is that clear or not? This is the second segment of this chapter. This is the first segment means understanding, second is testing for uniform convergence, and third rapid revision what you recall is the relation. Means if some sequence is uniformly convergent or some series is uniformly convergent, then that apply the continuity of the limit function f of x. Uniform implies integrability, uniform implies differentiability. Here it may be sequence or series. Okay dear, so for this if uniformly convergent, then these relations holds well. Now what we need to do is we need to summarize, we need to have a mindset that what we need to study in this chapter. So these are the 3 segments over which your mindset making should work. Now let's take some example from the Malik Arora book itself. for all these categories and do solve those examples, just 3 examples to recall the things ki how you apply these tests. Okay, so good luck. अच्छा, क्वेश्चंस करने हैं क्या? Tell me.